I love live plants. I make a kuch bhi. It's so expensive to repair, man. Focus. Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be a very huge Amazon home decor haul video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I redid my room, which I'm very excited to share with you guys. You can literally see a little bit of sneak peek behind me. And the proper room tour video will be up soon, but right now I'm gonna show you guys all the home decor I bought to decorate this room. I bought a bunch of stuff from Amazon, so when the room tour video will be up, you guys already know where I got the bits and pieces from. So without further ado, let's get started with the haul. Okay, so the first thing I got from Amazon is this pillow cover. Like, look at it, the quality is so good and this just screams boho to me. Just a side note, my whole room is boho chic inspired, so you'll see a lot of boho pieces in this haul, but obsessed. Like, look at the color, look at the pattern, this fringe and the pom-poms and everything about this is so pretty. I am obsessed. This does have a zip at the back where you can put the pillow right over here. The quality is really good. ऐसे एकदम flimsy material बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's like a proper jute quality, very sturdy. This is gonna be one of the throw pillows on my bed. I actually got 2 more pillow covers. I wanted 2 and then 1 in between. This will be in between. जो पीछे के और 2 pillow covers होने वाले हैं वो अभी तक आए नहीं हैं. If I get it before I upload this video, I'm gonna put the clip of it. I hope it's gonna be amazing. इसकी वजह से मुझे थोड़ा hopes और बढ़ गया कि it's gonna be beautiful. But yeah, if I get it, I'll definitely put the clip here. Moving on to bed sheets now. The first bed sheet that I got is this one. When I saw it, the photo on Amazon, I knew I had to get my hands on this. I showed it to my Sasuma, I showed it to my husband and they all loved it. Even when it came, everyone really liked it. This is the pattern. It has this leaf pattern all over and a beautiful green color. The whole theme of my room is gonna be brown, very earthy tones, green, white, neutrals and earthy tones is my vibe. So this went definitely with the whole theme that I'm going for. This does come with the pillow covers as well. And this is a fitted bedsheet, by the way. As you can see, यहाँ पर ये elastic है. This will fit the bed properly. I have not tried it on the bed, but yeah, the color and the quality of this material is really good. That's what I'm really happy about. Next bedsheet I got is a plain simple white one. I am obsessed with that hotel beds जो पूरा white होता है, bedsheet से लेके comforter से लेके. I just love the whole vibe of it, and even though it's boho chic, I still wanted it to have a little bit of a hotel vibe when it comes to the bed, and that's the reason I picked up this sheet. Now this is again a fitted sheet. All the sheets that I've gotten are fitted. I feel it's so much more easier to put it and it does not budge if it's the right size, or you can go size up. ये bed हमारा जो है वो queen size है, और अगर मुझे queen size नहीं मिला, I went for a king size because वो भी हो जाता है to be honest. Quality wise it's really good और ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं था and fitted bhi hai, so it's much more easier to put it on the bed. It's hassle free, and yeah, this is the second bed sheet that I got. The third bed sheet I got is a little bit slightly on the expensive side. This is from IKEA, by the way, and this has this beautiful floral pattern all over it. When I saw this, like, this is the picture, obviously you'll see it in the try on part, but when I saw this on Amazon, like, I knew I had to get this for the house. This went so beautifully with the whole color theme and the whole room theme. I can't wait to put this on my bed. As you can see, it's still properly wrapped. I have not put it on the bed. So this is the last bedsheet cover that I got, which again, I'm obsessed. This has the paisley theme all over. I don't know हाँ यहाँ से properly दिख रहा है आप लोगों को. Material भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft है, which I like. It's not super like weird material का ये. Soft है, cotton जैसा feel है. Wasn't that expensive, and this is a fitted, by the way. इसमें भी elastic है and it does come with a pillow cover. So yeah, this is the last one that I got. The next thing I got is this white comforter you see on my bed. ये Amazon Basics से मैंने उठाया था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है and it's an amazing quality. I think comforter के हिसाब से this is a very good price जो Amazon Basics में मिल रहा है. I felt it was a steal and the quality is really good. I would suggest if you're picking up a white comforter, put a cover. It will be much more easier to, you know, remove the cover, wash it. This has a very patla film of that foam material. It's not super thick wala, which I like. India में इतना ज़्यादा ठंडी नहीं होता. You don't need that thick of a comforter as well. India के लिए this is a perfect comforter. I would suggest everyone, if you want a white comforter, go for this one. It's absolutely amazing. And the last thing I got that's related to the bed is a throw blanket. Every time when I used to imagine कि मैं ऐसा room बनाऊंगी, मैं ऐसा ये करूंगी, मैं ऐसा वो करूंगी, I knew that I had to get a throw blanket. This you can throw it on the bed, which I'm planning to. This you can throw it on your sofa as something that you can, you know, snuggle on when you're watching a movie or something. Again, the quality is absolutely amazing. This has this beautiful pattern all across. It also has fringe detailings at the end. I love the material. एकदम ज़्यादा भी thick नहीं है. It's the perfect thickness, I would say, and the material is amazing. The next thing I picked up from Amazon is this mat. ये मुझे actually bed और यहाँ पर ही सामने जहाँ पर आप हो वहाँ पर मेरा स्टडी टेबल है, वर्क डेस्क एरिया. सो आई वांटेड दैट एरिया टू बी फिल्ड विद दिस मैट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली साइज थोड़ा छोटा पड़ रहा है. द मैट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटिफुल. लव द जूट and the white detailing जो एक साथ जा रहा है. It actually perfectly matches my room. Wish it would have been a little bit more big. This was the biggest size that it had in the circular mat, so I got it. I thought it would cover the whole thing, but वो दोनों area cover नहीं कर पा रहा है. So unfortunately, I think I have to give it back. Next up, we have some fake wine leaves. The quality is really good. Smells awful. Actually बहुत ही fishy smell है इसका, literally. But yeah, the quality, to be honest, on camera so it looks legit and it goes very well with the theme of the house. So I'm very excited. And in person also it looks legit, not super fake wala leaves. So I'll probably keep it. Yeah, it's looking really nice. I'll keep it and style it in one of the corners. This is the next thing I got in this big, huge box. It's actually a clock. Homesteader is a really good brand. I was expecting it to be really good, but to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed in it. I thought it would go perfectly with the room, but it's not really going with the room theme. I think मुझे wood या फिर वो color में कुछ clock उठाना चाहिए था. So yeah, I'll probably return it. And one thing that I didn't like about it कि जो marble का stuff है जो stick किया हुआ है is just a paper. It looks fake in person like this, and also I feel like वो थोड़ा ऐसे bumpy है. I don't know. According to the price that I paid, I'm not sure about it. I'll probably return it. So the next few pieces that I'm gonna show you guys are more of like a decor pieces that I picked up. So the first one I picked up is this 3D moon lamp. It comes with this ball which is gonna be the moon, and this stand. ये पूरा तोड़ा हुआ आता है. You just have to pin it in. And boom! Obviously ये लाइट के वजह से तो आपको दिखेगा नहीं, बट आपको प्रॉपर ट्राई ऑन पार्ट में आपको दिख जाएगा. And you just have to tap to change the color. And this can act as a proper side lamp. It gives the proper light that you need actually. So the next thing I got as a decor item is a light box. I have seen way too many YouTubers use this in the background, and I knew I had to get one for myself. Also you can write a bunch of stuff. यहाँ पर सारे letters है. Each and every letter is twice. So A के 2 pieces रहेंगे, B के 2 pieces रहेंगे, so on so forth. It also has numbers and emojicons like camera का है, star है, @ hashtag, a lot of stuff. The light is actually really good. You can use this as a side lamp as well. I am gonna mainly use it to put out some kind of a message if there's a birthday or anniversary, or in general कोई quote लिखना होगा, or to use it just as a background prop. That's why I got this, and it's going really well with the room as well. So yeah, I'm really excited. I love it. I'm not gonna exchange it. Gonna definitely keep it. Next item, I was actually looking for a fancy pot holder for my plants, and I saw this and I knew I had to get this. Can you guess what it is? It's Groot. But I'm a little disappointed. थोड़ा fake लग रहा है. So I don't know whether I'm gonna keep it or not, but this is how it looks like. यहाँ से obviously you can put the plant, and small छोटा plant इसमें आ जाएगा आराम से, and it will just sit like this on wherever you want to place it. I feel it's not that good of a quality. So yeah, I don't know, I'll probably return it. So the next few things I'm gonna show you guys is more of like an accessory for my desk area. The first thing I picked up is this keyboard protector. Like keyboard, especially iMac का gets dirty so fast. Press करके मैं clean करने गई and the keyboard gets damaged. iMac का कुछ भी, it's so expensive to repair, man. Not at all. और ये आप easily wash कर सकते हो, dust proof है, waterproof है. So this I can clean and wash and everything, and it will keep my keyboard protected. The next thing I got is a phone holder. I was really surprised with the quality of it. I did not expect it to be such good quality. As you can see, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा sturdy है. It comes with this. यहाँ पर एक ball है, so you can easily rotate it anyhow you want, and this thing clips onto anything. So if you have a ledge, and it will easily clip onto stuff. But yeah, I got this majorly for Instagram if I want to talk to you guys on stories and stuff, because keeping stuff on anywhere, it falls, and if I want to probably film some reels and stuff, I have a sturdy something to grip my phone on. So yeah, that's why I got this little guy. Next thing I picked up is a mouse pad, जो नीचे का pad होता है for the keyboard and everything. मुझे छोटा नहीं चाहिए था. I wanted it to be a good size ताकि मेरा keyboard भी रहे, मेरा mouse भी रहे. If I want to write something, it has a good area covered. This is how it looks like. It's such a pretty baby pink color, and it's reversible, so you can use the baby blue color or the baby pink color. The quality is again really good. I really like the quality of it. The next thing I got for the desk area is a dustbin. This is a very plain simple dustbin that you usually see in offices. It's a black mesh for paper and stuff. यहाँ पर वही ज़्यादा कचरा होता है, dry stuff, right? Any wrappers or papers and stuff. And I thought this is a perfect one for the desk area. I really like the quality of it. Next thing I got is this fake छोटू plant. To be honest, ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है. I was expecting it to be a little bit more big, but TV unit के ऊपर या फिर ऐसा side के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसका quality, to be honest, ये ऊपर का जो है plant thing, this looks okay, but ये जो pot का quality I'm not a big fan of. It's looking a little, not a good quality. So yeah, probably I'll return it. If I'm not feeling it, just return it, right? So the next thing that I picked up is a very bougie find, to be honest. That too for Amazon. I didn't expect this to find on Amazon. And this is how it looks like. Obviously, it's protected a lot because glass hai andar. I wanted something to keep my brushes. So this is gonna be my brush holder. जहाँ पर मेरा ready area है, वहाँ पर I'm gonna place it, and this is so pretty. I am obsessing over it. पूरा ऊपर नीचे सब इधर glass है, and then it's joined with this gold detailing at the side. It looks so aesthetically pleasing that my heart is pleased. And the last thing that I got from Amazon is this hand chopper. This is very random. This is not for my room. This is for my kitchen. But it's very useful. Kanda chop karna hai, tomato chop karna hai, literally anything. This is really good, and all you have to do is just hold it like this and chop. Everything is chopped. I actually used it today and it works. It really works. बहुत fine chop करता है. If you want it to be a little bit more coarse and not super finely chopped, just do it few times. Check if you like the consistency or if you like how it is, and if you wanted more finely chopped, then pull it more times and it will keep on doing it more finely. If you are someone who cooks, I think this is a really good. छोटा और ज़्यादा space भी नहीं लेते. That's what I love about it. If you get a big food processor, it takes up a lot of space, and this is just handy and small and cute. So yeah, I really like this as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. I am obsessing over everything that I got and I can't wait to put everything into its place and style this whole room, which again, room tour is coming very, very soon. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. All the products will be linked in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. And if you like any of the pieces that I showed in today's video, don't forget to comment it in the comments down below. Share it with your friends. Please help me out a lot. And the comment shout out goes to Komal Kaur. Komal, thank you so much for the comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.